welcome to Craft World of Reemina. Today I will teach you how to make a puppet with using of ice cream sticks and few papers. So let's begin.
For elephant puppet, we need purple and pink oil pastel sheets, ice cream sticks, googly eyes, fevicol, scissor and pencil. First you draw a heart shape and you take two purple sheets. Now you cut the heart shape with the help of scissor. This is ears, elephant's ear. Now you make another heart shape in the pink color sheet. You take two pieces of pink color sheet. Now draw a circle for face and cut a strip like this. Now cut the circle also. This is face. Now take the glue and take the pink color sheet and paste on the purple color sheet. Now take another pink color sheet and paste like this. Place the two ears like this and you apply the glue and paste the circle like this and press with finger. Now take the ice cream stick. On the upper part you apply the glue and paste the ice cream stick and press with your hand. Now take two googly eyes. You put some glue and paste the googly eyes. Take the purple color strip and fold like this. One side of the paper you apply the glue and paste like this. Your elephant puppet is ready.